What up, YouTube fam? In this video, I'm going to show you how you could actually start making money by just simply watching YouTube videos. You're going to have other people watch YouTube videos that are already on here where you're going to start making some cash. All right, guys? I know you've actually heard this actual process. I know you've heard it other places. I'm going to show you exactly step by step in this computer here. You're going to follow me and you're going to see exactly how it's all done. All right? If you guys are new to this channel, thank you for coming in, first of all. If you guys are new, please subscribe, hit that bell so you can get notified next time I upload another video showing you how to make different money online, how to create passive income, and how you could actually become financially free. Okay, now if you guys want my #1 recommendation on how to build a full-time income online, it's gonna be the first link down here. I'm gonna show you everything. Stick with me to the end, and all this is gonna make actual perfect sense, from making YouTube videos, I'm sorry, not making them, but actually uploading them, making money from these YouTube videos to making a full-time income. All right, guys? I don't want to stop. I don't want us to talk a lot. Let's go ahead and jump into the computer. I'm going to show you exactly how to do stuff. All right? So the first thing that you want to do is you want to come onto YouTube. All right? What you want to do is you want to actually select that YouTube videos that are already on here, uploaded from different people, but you want to pick the viral videos. Okay? The more views and the more viral that these videos have gone, the better, which means there's going to be more people watching them. I've actually selected a couple here that you could actually see. We're going to go with sports on this example that I'm going to show you, but you can actually pick anything from gaming, motivational, dance, make money online videos, sports, or even action videos, all right, here on YouTube. I'm going to pick sports because that's actually a very popular one. Obviously, everybody likes sports. That goes crazy. So we're going to go ahead and pick sports here, okay? You can put anything from basic sports like you see, extreme sports, backflips, whatever the case is. All right, guys? So let's see. So what you want to do here, once you actually type in sports, you want to come up to the filters. In the filters, you want to see the view count, because once again, we want to see how many people have watched these videos, have gone viral, all right? First one looks like it's a little kid's video. Let's go to the second one, all sports, golf battle, 93 million views. That's pretty good, okay? 93, 92, 70, and so forth, all right? We're gonna pick this one up here for 5 years. It's been uploaded for 5 years. I've muted it because I don't wanna hear it, and then of course, we don't need to watch the video. But what we do need is going to be copying this URL. We need this URL right here. Let's go ahead and just copy this. Now, the next website that you wanna come into is going to be shorty.st. So let this load. And what this is you can actually kind of get a good idea right here in front of you on how this works. User visits per page and click a link, okay? You're gonna actually type in or copy the URL from the YouTube that we just got. You're gonna grab a link and then you're going to promote it, right? You're gonna have other people watch these videos, all right? They see your ads or on intermediate page, and then you begin to start earning money, okay? If it sounds a little confusing, just stick with me, all right, guys? It's gonna be a simple process I'm gonna walk you through. But before we do that, I wanna show you how much you can get paid. So on this website, come all the way down and you can come out the payout rates. Now these payout rates are based off 1,000 views, okay? Every 1,000 views, for example, if you have 1,000 views from the United States, you're gonna get about $14 on average, all right? United Kingdom, $10, $5, $8, and so forth, all right, guys? So this is, once again, every 1,000 views, you're gonna get this much, okay? So this is not gonna be that hard. Let me show you. So let's come up here. We're gonna shorten the URL, okay? So you're gonna actually paste in the URL that you got from your YouTube channel. Shorten it because obviously it looks a lot cleaner, looks a lot more welcoming, okay? Copy this actual link, okay? Now from here, we're gonna go on to the next site, which is gonna be Reddit. If you guys haven't heard it, I'm sure you guys have heard it. It's a very popular website, but it's pretty much a social media platform, all right? Come on here, and this is where we're actually gonna be posting our links that people are going to be actually looking into, okay? So let's go ahead and visit Reddit. Ooh, it looks like I went into the wrong page, the wrong section. Now, here is where you're gonna actually, obviously, if you don't have an account, you're gonna obviously sign in. I have my account right here. I gotta change my username and everything, but you're gonna be actually creating posts. Now, since we do have a sports video, we wanna put it and check out sport pages, right? So once this loads up, you're gonna have a couple right here. Look, check this out. This one right here has 18.6 million members with an M, million, all right? Remember, in order for you to get it paid out, you need 1,000 views from the United States, right? Makes you $14 a night. That's not gonna be that difficult. So we can actually go into this one, for example. Now remember, you're gonna actually want to do your own research in whatever section category you're gonna go into. You're gonna want to actually get into that section here on Reddit, all right? So you can kind of see Reddit sports 18 million people, or fans is what they like to call it. And just like this, you're gonna be posting your link and people are gonna be watching it, okay? Every time they watch it, since it is your specialized link that you have, of course, they're gonna know it's coming from you and they're gonna go ahead and pay you out, all right? Look at this. You kind of see that there's a lot of videos here, and that's actually what they do. 124 comments, right? And that's just comments. We don't need comments, we need views. That's all you really have to do. Type it here. Oops. We'll just keep it for right now. Keep user for right now. Type it in, and that's all you really have to do, okay, guys? Of course, you're gonna want to actually interact. The more views that you get, the more money that you're gonna make, okay? Do this every day. Stay consistent every day. Put in about 10, 15, 20 minutes a day, just uploading, put them in here, interacting and stuff, and then you're gonna start seeing how that's the way that you can start making money online. As simple as that. That's all you really have to do. Now, let's go back and explain to you as far as how to make a full-time income online. Now, this is not a way that you're gonna be able to make $1 million, right? So this is a way for you to actually get some startup cash if you guys don't have any money up front, so you can start investing. This is going to be a good way so you can actually start making cash and then using that cash and reinvesting it in yourself. Now, what do I mean by that? I mean for you to start learning, to start getting knowledge, getting mentors, training courses in order for you to make that full-time income, right? As easily as a 6-figure income a year, okay? Now, what am I talking about? I'm talking about affiliate marketing, okay? You want to start your own online affiliate marketing business, okay? That's exactly what we just did. We're just promoting other people's videos, products, whatever the case is, okay? If you want to actually start making a full-time income online, that first link in the description, which is going to be my #1 recommendation in this video, it's going to be the first link. It's going to be my #1 recommendation. It's going to show you, teach you, and explain to you what it is, how to do it, how do you get paid, and simply making money here online at the comfort of your home, okay? What I like to say and what I like to say in my videos is I like to wake up making money while I sleep. So every time I wake up and I see that notification I made a commission, I like that, okay? Maybe other people have different words, but that's my thing. So it's gonna be as simple as making couple $100, right? A couple thousand, just like you kind of see that right here, okay? That was like about a couple days ago, but it's very possible and you could actually start doing it, all right, guys? So that's all for this video. Once again, recap: making money from YouTube videos. You're gonna grab those links, make sure they're viral, because more people, more views, more money. Grab those videos, shorten up the links, see how much the payout is, grab your special link, throw it into Reddit, right? Or also other social media platforms that are gonna get crazy amount of views. You're gonna collect cash. That cash, you're gonna reinvest it in yourself so you can educate yourself, right? The more you educate, the more doors, the more windows are gonna open up, and you're gonna see how easy it is to start making money online, to start waking up to these commissions, all right, guys? So if you guys have any questions, any comments, throw them down here below. If you guys haven't subscribed, as in the beginning, please subscribe so you can actually get more value, more content like this. I will be posting weekly different videos as far as different ways to make money online, affiliate marketing, how to start it, what it is, what you can get paid, okay? All those crazy things are gonna be here in this channel. Please subscribe. But until then, appreciate you guys coming in. I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.